UK don enter serious hot season as amber and yellow heat health alert dey for all parts of England with temperature wey fit reach 34 degrees Celsius. Taylor Swift don drop correct gist say her 12th studio album go be the life of a showgirl after fans don dey speculate for 24 hours. Na small be that for today tori. Dis na PidginToriGlobal where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist proper. No forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Make you and your friends dey always get the correct gist wey dey happen for world. US and China don agree to extend their trade truce for extra 90 days, just few hours before both sides for don raise tariffs on each other goods. On Monday, US President Donald Trump sign order to keep the pause till 10 November and Beijing follow announce the same. This one means say US go still hold 30% levy on Chinese imports, while China go keep 10% tariff on American products. Earlier this year, Washington threatened to raise trade tax reach 145% on Chinese goods, and China plan 125% duties back on US shipments. But after trade talks for Geneva for May, both sides reduced the rates. White House talk say the extra time go help settle trade imbalance, unfair trade practices, and also try open China market more for US exporters. US trade deficit with China for 2024 reached almost $300 billion, the highest with any country. Chinese embassy for Washington talk say win-win cooperation na the correct way and beg US to remove unreasonable trade restrictions to help companies from both sides and keep global semiconductor production stable. Trump don repeat many times say tariffs go make Americans buy local goods, raise more tax and boost investment, as e dey accuse trading partners say dem dey take advantage of US. US inflation remain the same for July as cheaper energy cause balance price increase for coffee and tools. Official reports show say consumer prices rise 2.7% for year to July. But the core inflation wey no count food and energy climb reach 3.1%, wey be the highest since February. Investors dey watch closely to see if US tariff on imports go start push prices go up. Federal Reserve never touch interest rates as dem dey check whether the tariffs go raise inflation, even though President Donald Trump dey pressure make dem cut borrowing costs. Recent data show say new import taxes don begin affect US economy as families dey reduce spending and companies dey slow down hiring. Sima Shah from Principal Asset Management believe say Fed fit still cut rates for September to ginger the economy, but she warn say things fit hard pass later. She talk say tariff impact on prices still small now, but e fit grow as months dey go, just when Fed wan start rate cuts. One US woman, Amy Bistro from West Allis for Wisconsin, don chop guilty verdict after she try shoot one man for Birmingham, UK, point blank, but the gun jam. The court hear say Bistro fly enter UK for 2019 as hired killer to target Sikandar Ali and im family because of wahala wey involve her two partners, Mohammed Nasir and Mohammed Aslam. Dem talk say Nasir and Aslam bin get beef with Birmingham businessman Aslat Mohammed after dem wound for fight wey happen for im boutique for July 2018. The plan na make Bistro kill Mohammed or any of im family as revenge. Bistro disguised herself with hijab before the attack, but when she pulled trigger for Mission Grove, Yardley, the gun no fire, so Ali managed escape without injury. After almost 21 hours of jury deliberation, Bistro chop guilty for conspiracy to murder, possession of self-loading pistol plus intent to cause fear, and illegal importation of ammunition. The jury give 11-1 majority verdict for the first two charges and unanimous verdict for the ammunition matter. Throughout the verdict reading, Bistro no show any reaction, just dey look jury with her purple t-shirt and space-born hair. UK don enter serious hot season as amber yellow heat health alert dey for all parts of England with temperature wey fit reach 34 degrees Celsius. England and Wales go see between 25 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius, while Scotland and Northern Ireland fit touch 26 degrees Celsius. For Southern Europe, wildfires dey burn for Spain, Portugal, Turkey and Greece, while France don already see temperature for low 40s on Monday. Experts don warn say make pipo ready for dis kain heat because climate change dey make heat wave happen more of ten and more strong. National Drought Group don also tok say England dey face nationally significant water shortage now. UK's job market don slow down again as new figures show say job vacancies fall by 5.8% to 718,000 from May go July. Almost every industry dey feel am. ONS tok say e be like say some companies no dey hire new staff or replace pipo wey don leave. Average wage growth still dey 5%. Unemployment rate still dey 4.7%, but payroll numbers drop small, about 8,000 between June and July. Experts say na gradual cooling we dey see. ONS also caution say payroll data fit no too accurate, but economist Ashley Webb believe say small drop mean say the effect of higher business tax and minimum wage rise don dey calm down. April see national living wage jump from £11.44 go £12.21, while employer national insurance rise from 13.5% to 15%. Job vacancies now dey the lowest since early 2021 during COVID and outside pandemic, lowest since 2015. Biggest drop dey for hospitality and retail. Even though openings reduce, unemployment rate no go up and redundancy notice for July still low. Chancellor Rachel Reeves tok say some good news dey, but work still remain to bring unemployment down. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu go begin testify 3 times every week for November for im corruption trial. Na wetin Jerusalem District Court rule. Dem tok say di court go hold 4 hearings every week and Netanyahu go appear for 3 till cross-examination finish. Di case wey start 2020 don get plenty delay. Right now, court dey on break. Next hearing go happen for September. Judges still dey check whether dem go shift proceedings go Beit Shemesh Court since Jerusalem District Court no get correct bomb shelter for time of war. Prosecutors dey accuse Netanyahu say e dey use Gaza war take slow down the trial, but e don deny any wrongdoing. Taylor Swift don drop correct gist say her 12th studio album go be the life of a showgirl after fans don dey speculate for 24 hours. The talk start Monday morning when her marketing team post 12 pictures for social media with caption wey say thinking about when she say see you next era. Later that day, her official website start countdown to 12 past 12 ET, same time wey her boyfriend NFL star Travis Kelce announce say she go show for im New Heights podcast. Swift reveal the album title inside one social media video wey promote the podcast, and the album don already dey for pre-order for her website. People wey pre-order get message say the album go ship before 13 October, but official release date never still dey. Her last album, The Tortured Poets Department, break Spotify record as most streamed album in one day. And the last one for today, DreamWorks Animation don shift Shrek 5 release date for the second time. E first suppose land next summer, dem later move am go December 2026, but now dem don push am reach June 2027, according to US website deadline. Dem never talk why dem shift am, but people dey reason say e fit be make e no clash with Avengers Doomsday Dune Part 3 and Ice Age 6 wey go show for December 2026. Fans no too happy as some even joke say before e go come out, their pikin go dey show am to their own pikin. The first Shrek for 2001 blow worldwide with $487 million box office, follow am with 3 sequels plus 2 spin-off films, Puss in Boots and Puss in Boots: The Last Wish. But Shrek 5 trailer get mixed reactions as some people no like the new animation style and compare am to the old Sonic the Hedgehog design wey dem change after backlash. Others still dey excited to return to far, far away. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Guffey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.